The Wolf and the Sheep, a tale of cunning and wisdom. In a lush green forest, there lived a fierce grey wolf named Grizzle. Grizzle was known throughout the forest for his cunning nature and sharp teeth. One day, Grizzle decided to challenge a large brown bear for territory. The fight was intense, with both animals growling and clawing at each other. Although Grizzle fought bravely, the bear was much stronger and larger. In the end, Grizzle was badly injured, with a broken leg and several deep cuts. The wolf limped away, finding shelter in a small cave near a meadow. Days passed, and Grizzle grew weaker, unable to hunt or find water. His once shiny coat became dull, and his fierce eyes grew dim with hunger and thirst. On the fifth day, Grizzle heard the soft bleating of a sheep nearby. He peered out of the cave and saw a fluffy white sheep named Woolsey grazing in the meadow. Grizzle's mouth watered at the sight, but he was too weak to attack. Suddenly, an idea struck the cunning wolf. He called out to Woolsey in a weak, pitiful voice, "Oh, kind sheep, please help me." Woolsey, being a naturally curious and kind-hearted animal, cautiously approached the cave. "What's wrong, Mr. Wolf?" asked Woolsey, keeping a safe distance. Grizzle put on his most pitiful expression and explained his predicament. "I've been injured in a terrible fight," he whimpered. "I'm so thirsty, I can barely move." The wolf then made his request, "Could you please bring me some water from the nearby stream?" "If I could just have a drink," Grizzle continued, "I might have the strength to find some food." Woolsey listened carefully, his ears twitching as he processed the wolf's words. The sheep remembered the stories his grandmother had told him about the tricks of wolves. He noticed how Grizzle's eyes kept darting to his plump, woolly body. Woolsey also realized that if the wolf had the strength for food, he would likely become that food. The clever sheep decided to test the wolf's intentions. "Oh, poor wolf," Woolsey said sympathetically. "But tell me, what kind of food were you planning to eat?" Grizzle, caught off guard, stammered, "Oh, whatever I can find, maybe some berries or, grass." Woolsey noticed the wolf's hesitation and the glint in his eye. "I see," said Woolsey, backing away slowly. "Well, I'm afraid I can't help you, Mr. Wolf. You see, I've suddenly remembered an important appointment in the other meadow." With that, Woolsey turned and quickly trotted away, leaving the frustrated Grizzle behind. As he left, Woolsey called back, "Perhaps you should try eating those berries and grass without the water." Grizzle growled in annoyance, realizing his plan had been foiled by the clever sheep. Woolsey returned to his flock, sharing the story of his encounter with the tricky wolf. The other sheep praised Woolsey for his quick thinking and ability to see through Grizzle's deception. From that day on, Woolsey became known as the wisest sheep in the meadow. He taught the younger sheep to always be cautious and look for hidden motives in seemingly kind offers. As for Grizzle, he eventually recovered from his injuries and learned to be more honest in his dealings. Woolsey had taught him a lesson for life. The wolf and the sheep never became friends, but they gained a mutual respect for each other's cleverness. And so, the forest animals learned an important lesson about paying attention to spot ulterior motives.